So now I'm going to teach you on how to do a preloader. So now you can look here. Here's the FLA file. You can actually go to preloader.flv, and if you click on the download here, you can actually download from there. So now you can drag and drop it in Flash, and what open is a new form, a file actually, sorry. Here you click on library, and here we have a photo blur, and what we can put together here is the master AMC and the cloud B, cloud S, and it's a blur and a blur out cloud. It's a pretty big file, so that's why we have to put in the library. So now drag the master AMC down on the stage here like that, center it, click on align. So here you have two stages here. You can click line on this, the vertical line, align, close it up. So here rename the layer to master. So you insert another layer here and rename it to preloader. So now what we're going to do is to create another folder here in the library called the preloader. You can now turn the visibility of the master layout, click on the rectangle, and then set your stroke to black, fill it with black. You can draw the nice rectangle here. Can line it to center. So now you zoom in here like that. So select the fill and then swatch palette. You can have the gradient palette here. So you can select the selection gradient tool, and you can rotate it and shrink it like that. You can change the gradient by rotating it all around like that. So you can click it, move it until it's perfectly like in alignment with it. So now we click on modify and change it with the symbol. Make sure you click on the black dot on the left center here. Rename it to preloader fill, and drag and drop it to the preloader folder. So now you select the stroke here, convert the symbol to the stroke to a symbol as well. Okay, name it stroke M. So here's the movie clip, which you just converted. So now let's get the action script up. Give it an instance name. Let's name it fill_MC. And then now let's create a new layer to contain the action script. Click on window and flatten options. And here let's type in, let's say, stop. We're just gonna stop it. Yeah, so here so let's now make an interval. So we'll call this loader interval with an int equals that interval. Okay. So now we're opening a function name here, val bar. Yeah, so I'm going to put this on the entire screen here so that you guys can see it. So it's going to check every 10 milliseconds, remember the semicolon, and then now function L bar, close and open a parentheses. And now here we need to type if statement here. Open get by closer. Open close parenthesis. Greater or equals to get by. Semicolon, open close parenthesis. And then put a close parenthesis. Close this entire statement here and get byte string here. And now it's an if statement, so we need instead of open curly bracket, open and then close it like that here. Yeah, this one goes with this one up here, and this goes with this here, right here. Okay, so now if we're saying get byte load greater than get byte load, so we're going to play, and we're trying here to clear the interval. Loader int, semicolon, close it like that. Okay, remember we give our field here an username called field entry. So now we're going to put here right here field entry. So now what we're going to do is take the amount and transfer it here. So if the loading bar is like 50%, so we want it to be like the loading bar to have 50%. So now we can dot use for scale equals get byte loader, open and close parentheses here, divide by get byte total, open and close parentheses here, and put an asterisk here to have the multiplication sign by 100, and then close the parentheses, and of course with the semicolon. Okay, so let's check the script contains no error, and okay, we've got the stop action, set interval, loader interval, the L bar, the functions, which is the L bar, and checking it every 10 seconds, milliseconds here, sorry. Yeah, get byte total and play interval here, close statement here. Next, we want you to see this scale and see the X scale here. The get byte scale divide. Oh yeah, you can actually find it using the control and test menu here, or you just use the hotkey control enter. Hit control enter, and there you go. You can just view it here. Fast test menu. So I guess this is all about it. Thanks for sitting through our tutorial. You can visit us more on our CD-ROM at cd-rom.com. Thank you.